Home direction as per Vastu, best house facing according to Vastu. Hello friends, today we will talk about the best house facing direction according to Vastu science. When at home, we prefer to spend our maximum time doing things we love. We hope for peace and prosperity along with positivity in our homes. Vastu for the house is mandatory, as it helps in adding to the overall positive vibrations. Vastu Shastra always focuses on bringing good energies into the home. Here are a few Vastu tips for your ideal abode. Where should your bedroom house face? The direction of your house influences the energies, both positive and negative, entering the property. The house's direction as per Vastu should be east, north, or northeast. Know the other direction's effects. The west-facing house, as per Vastu, is not good for the female member of the family. However, it is a good choice for young family members. The northwest-facing house is good for success, fortune, and health. But the male member of the family will spend a lot of time away from home. Avoid the southwest. The best house direction as per Vastu is northeast, as it is associated with the god of wealth. Similarly, the southwest is considered the direction of evil. It represents good wealth but misfortune. Southeast is not auspicious. Vastu for house suggests that the southeast direction is inauspicious. It causes illness and anger. Additionally, it increases the chances of disputes in the family. The direction of the main door. The main door should be bigger than other doors in the house. The door should be in the north, northeast, west, or east direction, as they are considered to be auspicious. Avoid having 3 doors in line or parallel to the main door, as it can affect the happiness in the house. Materials used for the main door are important. A wooden door is the most auspicious. If the main door is in the south direction, then the door should have a combination of wood and metal. The west direction's main door should be made of metal. The north door should have silver color in it. Vastu tips for best, happy, and ideal home. The living room serves as an open playground for all the energies entering your home. Vastu for home suggests that the host should face towards the north and the east, and the guests must be seated opposite to the host. This ensures the best and positive energy flow into your house. Placement of the bedroom in the house. Southwest is the ideal direction of the bedroom as per Vastu, especially when we talk about the master bedroom. It's important to understand that the southwest direction focuses on the natural element earth, which signifies heaviness. At the same time, it's worth mentioning that the southwest isn't the right direction for a kid's bedroom, servant room, or guest room. Kitchen placement in an ideal house. The best location to set up your kitchen as per Vastu is southeast or northwest. The reason is that the wind blowing from south to west and from north to east doesn't disrupt the fire on the stove. Placement of different rooms. The location or the placement is of utmost importance in Vastu Shastra. As per Vastu, the northeast is the most suitable direction for a house's entrance. For the bedroom, it is southwest, and for the kitchen, it is southeast. The puja room, God worship room, is the northeast corner of the house. We can follow these Vastu tips for home rules easily with the above information shared. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Lod's channel How to Make My House.